Beginning repairs on the Sanyo VCR4020 from 1985. It's the empty case. First problem I'm working on is the tracking pot. Wouldn't work. I took it apart and found that the contacts had come loose from the shaft. So now I'm reinstalling the contacts on the shaft. This one here, it goes on this side. Then I'll reassemble. Hopefully it works. I have the contacts epoxied back onto the shaft of the tracking potentiometer. So that's set up now. I will reassemble and see what happens. Okay, I got it reinstalled into the circuit board now, so I'll try to give it a test.
I just think all the women are easy.
He seemed alright.
Forget him. Look around you. This place is full of good, honest men who have crabs.
Yes, but what if I don't meet one?
Listen, I felt the same way you do when I first joined 4 years ago.
There it goes.
You've been a member for 4 years?
Yeah.
It's still touchy, but it's working better. I also have the original remote, but unfortunately it's not working. I've got a tune-up kit ordered and on the way, so once I get that in, I'll continue. I got the tune-up kit in today, so I am in the process of changing some belts out. I got that one done, and this one here for the loading mechanism. I'm going to take this off here. I got one to change down there, and then I got this tape over the clip so it doesn't go flying when I pop it off. And that comes right off. Okay, pull that off. Pull this off. And don't want to lose that washer or that one. There's the new idler. There are actually a total of 4 of those little washers or spacers, I guess, that go on that shaft. Just got done replacing that tire here. Here's the old one. Actually still pretty soft, but went ahead and replaced it. Okay, I got 2 of the spacers installed. Now I will install the pulley. Okay, got the pulley installed. And I'll put on the next 2 spacers. Got the new belt installed on the pulleys. And I've got it all reassembled, so time to put it back together and try it out. Seems to be working okay. Let's see. Looks like the play function's working alright. Problem it was having before is it wouldn't take the tape back up when I hit stop. And also it would not fast forward or rewind. There's fast forward. Rewind. Looks like the mechanical parts of it are working pretty well now. So now I will hook it up to the TV and see what kind of picture it makes. Okay, I got it all reassembled and ready to test out.
You know, it makes it so nice. I put it in my room. I ain't going nowhere.
How about women?
Here's a period correct broadcast for this machine.
after the sale, it's service that counts at Bill's TV.
I don't know what happened to the recording here, but I'll fast forward it.
Being Grand Marshal of the Rose Parade.
Bringing my own car and riding in it, but they said I couldn't do that. I had to ride in a used Chrysler, so they give me a 52-year-old number to ride in. But I'm happy to be in it tomorrow. It's a nice car, I'm told.
Another bad spot.
It's the CBS live coverage of the 1985 Tournament of Roses Parade, broadcast coast to coast in the United States and Canada, and via satellite to Puerto Rico and Central and South America. The 1985 Rose Parade is sponsored by Nabisco Brands.
Hi, this is Don Meredith. Welcome to the Tournament of Roses Parade, sponsored by Nabisco Brands, the people who also bring you a parade of fine products like Almost Home Cookies, Planter Snacks, Carefree Sugarless Gum, and America's wholesome snack cracker, Wheat Thins. From the Nabisco family to your family. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! I'm Bob Barker, high up in the CBS anchor booth, bringing you the marvelous 96th Rose Parade.
And I'm Joan Van Ark, and what a great way to start.
I got the Sanyo VCR4020 Betacord all cleaned up and put back together. So give it a try.
And see dozens of dazzling floats and exciting bands. And because he's just a little bit taller than me, my handsome co-host Gerald McRaney can see even more.
Best of all, we're so close to the whole thing, we might as well be right in the parade. You'll be in it too, friends, so don't go away because you'll see it first.
It's
right
doing pretty well.
We're going to have one terrific party.
This tape's been out in my granddad's RV since 1985, so I think it's degraded just a bit. But overall, it looks pretty well.
Cheesier. I'm not having a ball.
Regular and new family size.
Now I'm having a ball.
Want a lifesaver, honey?
Yeah, I'll have the red one.
There's only one red one left. Take the green one.
Oh, I really love red cherry lifesavers. I had my heart set on the red one. And I asked for it first.
Look at you.
The taste almost homemade.
Yours.
Have you ever noticed how many products are constantly being improved? What? Right, the first time.
All of us on the Alice Show are wishing you and yours a very happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody!
Here comes what has been called the camel of the American prairie. It's an authentic covered wagon brought to you as Rand McNally's salute to the romance of early... and the pioneers who trekked across America. Festivities. Two sculptured lions lead this float, preceded by costumed break dancers in the street. But keep your eye on the larger-than-life Harlequin jester. He's entertaining the crowds with 8 French mime marionettes.
Gerald, what do
yes.
you call those strings that hold up those marionettes?
I call those marionette strings.
I never should have asked.
Now, if these puppets look almost human, it's because they...
showing it to a tree full of children and animals. Well, the kids are drooling just like the dog. I don't blame them. Everybody today is worried about air pollution, but have no fear with this globe, because this one is fueled by small-free propane. And besides this, you know, the